Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex market update. Well, we see here that the market, the euro, took a break from declining. Essentially, we had an up week after three pretty strong down weeks in earlier here in March, and the market rallied from a low of 104.59 and closed out the week. Taking a look at the weekly chart, the market closed at 108.15. And I know a lot of pundits have been calling for parity, and a lot of pundits have been um, projecting that the market will hit parity at some point in time. And I'm not saying that that projection is wrong or anything, but we just need to look at this rally in the euro pretty we have to take a good look at the rally, because when the market becomes too one-sided and when everyone is short the euro and everyone is saying it's going to go down, continue going down, I always keep my eye out for a possible reversal. Okay, so taking a look at the euro, we see that the market, after that Fed announcement, the market bounced pretty strongly and pretty strongly up to this trend line here, and that's why it's important sometimes to look at trend lines. We had a swing high here, a swing high here, and the market came right up to the trend line before backing off a little bit. So resistance is up by this swing high near the trend line here, and for you who want to know, that actual price is at 110.40, and support is down below the low that was made of 104.59. That is what's happening in the euro. Taking a look at the Japanese yen, we see that the market, it broke out of a triangle. For those who haven't been following, our updates, or who missed an update, this is the triangle here that the Japanese yen broke out of. And what has happened since then is that the market has found resistance at this old high. So let me draw the old high here. Market has found resistance at that old high and has backed off from the old high, which the actual price is 121.84, and is coming back down to test the breakout point of this triangle. So we have support, pretty strong support down by this triangle here on the other side of the triangle. So we're going to see if the market then turns around and rallies above this 122 level, or it will continue downwards. If it continues downwards, what could be forming is a channel. And let me just draw the channel line down by the support area. And that's why it's important to do your homework on what's happening in the markets, because and at least take 10 minutes, 15 minutes a day to look and see what's happening technically, so you can spot opportunities, profit opportunities out there. So another scenario could be that the market is entering a channel, and support for this channel will be at the 116 level. Last time the market approached this 116 level, I said that we could be in for a rally off of this 116 level if we get a buy signal, and that's what happened. The market moved from 116 up to 122. That's what happened. So if it does decline down to here, we are going to see, first, if support holds; second, if you get a buy signal to head back up. Okay, that's the Japanese yen USD. Taking a look at the Canadian dollar USD, we see similar setup to the Japanese yen, that the market looks like it's coming back down into this 124 area of support, and we're going to see if the market is able to, again, if it comes down to 124, will you get a buy signal to head back up, or will it break the 124 level, which could see, if it does break this 124 level, I would expect to see further selling in this pair, and that could be a turnaround situation with the Canadian dollar, USD. Okay, looking at the at the British pound, and what happened last week was very interesting. I spoke about the fact that the pound, let's just go to the monthly chart. The pound was at support. We see longer term support here, and this support point was at 148.30. Market bottom at 148.30 in 2013 at this level here. Market came back down, hit this 148.30 level roughly again, and rallied, and now it came back down, and it breached the 148.30 level briefly, but the market has snapped back. And when you are at these support areas, sometimes you do get a snapback in the markets. Looking at the weekly chart, we see that the market closed below the level for the week, but seems to be snapping back. And if you see the market close above this 152 level, that could be, it could start a strong rally in the British pound. That's something to look out for, the British pound. If we see the market close back below this 146 low, this swing low here, we could see further selling in the pound. Okay, taking a look at, and often people ignore the crosses, and a pretty strong cross now is the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. We see that we have a series of market broke above this high, and we're having higher highs, higher lows. So we're just going to see if the market can get back up to prior resistance. Let me just draw the resistance line. Prior resistance up near that 96.50 level or so. And if the market could not only reach that level, but break above that resistance point for gains. Remember, in the Forex markets, there are a lot of opportunities to profit, but you just have to keep an eye out on the markets. And there's always a market moving. There's always a market giving opportunities, whether you trade the daily chart, the 4-hour charts, the 15-minute charts, and you will find profitable opportunities in the markets. And this is some exciting times for the currency markets, because we're seeing a lot of activity, and I expect to see more activity in the months to come. So it's really some exciting times, and exciting times means times for profits. Okay, if you would like to have these trading signals and these profit opportunities automatically sent to your brokerage account, because I know out there you may be working, you may have other things going, and sometimes you just don't have the time to pay attention to the markets or whatever. So we have a service that the trades are automatically sent to your brokerage account. If you don't have a brokerage account, you can easily open a brokerage account, and you will profit from these trades automatically. And I believe it's a good investment opportunity, and a good opportunity to make some money out of the Forex markets. So if you are interested in that, below this video you should see a link for some more information to sign up for the signals that can be sent directly to your brokerage account. Because it's important that I know a lot of traders out there aren't making any money in the forex markets, and it's unfortunate because this market is a market that you can make money and you can see pretty significant profits. It's just finding that method that works, and if you don't have that method, it just makes sense to piggyback off of our signals and start to see your brokerage account increasing. So click on the link below this video to sign up for the signals. When you sign up, my office will contact you within 24 hours to make sure everything is connected smoothly and the signals are being sent to your account. Okay, thank you very much for listening. And if you have any questions, send to info@acestrading.com. This is Beyond. Have a good trading week. Thank you.